Hello, 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 and welcome to Tips for Your Voice. Today we're going to do an exercise from very low to very high, and hopefully my middle C will behave. It's starting to leave me, but we're going to do the whole exercise. I'll sing through when I have to hit that note, just in case. This is an exercise that you would normally do in the beginning, warming your voice up, or after you've done an intense exercise like in chest voice. Then you would do this one. We are going to do it with an extended range so that we can take in every voice range, okay? Very low. If you can't hit the low notes, pick it up wherever you can. We're going high, go as high as you can, comfortably. And then on the way down, pick it up wherever you left off, okay? Now, what you want to do is make sure that your cheekbones are up. You're lifting in the back of the throat. You keep your body up, the rib cage is nice and up, and this is what we do in Singing for a Lifetime. It's a group online membership. You gotta check it out. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about it at the end again. All right, it's very inexpensive. So it's on ah. Keep the mouth open. That's it, cheekbones are up. Oh yeah. There's that middle C. Now lighten. Nice and easy. Sound comes off the roof of the mouth. That's it. Keep going. Now support the high tones coming out here. Really high. Keep the tongue forward. A little slower. Now here you go, really high notes for you. Up high. We're going to do one more. And back down. Pick it up wherever you left off. Abdominals come out on the high note. You take a breath in between each one. Think of lifting in the back on the high note. There you go. Falsetto or head voice, because we're relaxing here. No pushing. I'm not making the low note loud. I'm keeping the low note nice and relaxed. Nice and easy. was great. You did a great job. You kept going throughout it. Now maybe it was too low or maybe it was too high. You're not going to sing there. You're going to sing right where your range is. Breathing. Remember to come out when you take a breath. Stay out when you sing. Relax to take the next breath. Relax where? Relax the abdominals, because air can't travel in a tense muscle, so you have to relax it so you can take that next breath, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to do a little bit more. We're going to do some chest voice, and I promised somebody I was going to do the mix, which is kids in a schoolyard yelling, hey, yo! Okay, as opposed to, yeah, chest voice, hey, yo! Mix, okay? We're going to do that. But, meantime, you gotta subscribe. And check out Singing for a Lifetime. It is so enjoyable. Go to marquitawaters.com, sign up, join us. We do exercises. I change them all the time. Okay? All right. Thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful singing day. 'Cause it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah.